Okay, let's admit that running a business is no joke. One day you're closing deals, and the next you know you've missed an important email from a potential investor. The solution to all that is a virtual personal assistant. A virtual personal assistant, or a VPA in short, is a professional who manages your personal and professional tasks from a remote setup. No overhead costs, no office space, just efficiency. So here's what a VPA can do for you. The first one is calendar management, so that you never miss a meeting or double book yourself. The second one is managing your inbox, so you never miss important emails. The third one is travel arrangements. From getting you the best deals on flights to managing last minute accommodations and cancellations, they've got you covered. The fourth one is data management. Need a report, a spreadsheet, or anything else? They've got you covered. The fifth one is content and social media. They make sure that your accounts and channels are running smoothly. So what is the difference between a virtual personal assistant and an in-person personal assistant? Well, as the name suggests, the in-house personal assistant will work in the same location as their employer, while the VPA will work remotely. Here's why a VPA is better. They don't waste time in commuting to office. Instead, they use that time to upskill themselves. And the other big one is that you don't waste your resources in overhead costs and office spaces, and instead you get just the same amount of efficiency, if not more. But you know what the most common misconception is when it comes to VPAs? That they just manage your calendar and inbox. But no, Vishap is changing the game. At Vishap, we don't just connect you with a VPA and forget about you. Our VPAs are consistently trained in 70 plus AI and no-code tools. We even have a customer success manager assigned to you. So in case you have any issues, or you want to upgrade, or you want to hire another one, you can do that in minutes. You need replacement? Done. You need confidentiality? We have NDAs. You want a prompt engineer? We got it. You want a chief of staff? We got that as well. Look, as an entrepreneur, your time is money. And with a VPA, you save on time and money. So if you want to hire a pre-vetted and trained virtual personal assistant, then click the link below and schedule a free consultation call with Vishap and onboard a VPA in just 60 minutes.